Looking for the best portable camping stove but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best portable camping stove based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Camp Chef MSHPX Everest 2x2 Burner Portable Camping Stove. Perfect for campfire feasts and tailgate grilling alike. Dual 20K burners blast heat fast while the folding windscreen keeps flames steady in gusty weather. Matchless ignition means no matches, just click and cook. 2 pans sit comfortably on the 215 SQ and surface for full-on meal prep. Folds down small, drips stay tidy, and the carry handle makes it a breeze to tote anywhere. Quick setup, even quicker cleanup, your next cookout just got a whole lot easier. Number 4. Jetboil FLDC 3 Flash Portable Fast Boil Stove. One twist and your flame roars to life like a kitchen stove, no matches, no fuss. Perfect for campers who want hot meals in minutes without the hassle. It boils water lightning fast, locks pots tight for safety, and packs down tiny yet keeps drinks warm for ages. Clean, simple, and dependable every time. Number 3. Coleman 215-7318 Triton Plus 2 Burner Propane Camping Stove. Love this portable stove, perfect for camping trips. Built-in handle makes it easy to tote anywhere, and the heavy-duty latch keeps it secure when you're on the move. The independent adjustable burners with perfect flow and perfect heat give you total control, so you can simmer or sear with ease. Push-button ignition means no matches, no fuss. Dual wind guards protect the flames, even in breezy weather. And the removable chrome grate and rust-resistant cooktop make cleanup a breeze. If you need a reliable, no-fuss stove that handles everything, this is it. Number 2. Coleman 215-7356 Cascade Outdoor Camp Stove. This thing grills, griddles, and simmers all at once. Seriously, you flip between cooking surfaces in seconds. Perfect for campers who want restaurant-quality meals on the go. 2 burners give you precise control, while the rugged carry case and 24,000 BTUs make it unstoppable. Number 1. Coleman 215-7352 Triton 2 Burner Propane Stove. Nothing beats cooking outside when the wind's howling, until now. 2 sturdy wind guards lock in your heat so flames stay steady, no matter the breeze. Perfect for campsites, tailgates, or spontaneous picnic feasts. The heavy-duty latch keeps the lid snug and the grate pops out for a quick wipe down. Precise knobs let you simmer or sear each burner just right. Super simple to set up and a breeze to clean. Toss it in the car, open it up, and dinner's ready anywhere. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.